I'm going to demonstrate a geometric distribution problem. And first, I want to talk to you about the criteria for a problem situation being a geometric distribution. What we're interested in here is doing something several times but stopping when we are successful. So the repeated trials, like we may be tossing a coin or drawing balls out of a hat or something like that. So the repeated trials are going to be independent of each other. Every one of them has the same probability of success, whatever that is. And the random variable x in our formula, which appears at the bottom here, is simply the number of the trial in which we are first successful. I'm going to show you how to use Excel, but there isn't any built-in formula. The probability of x is given by p times q to the x minus 1. P is the probability of success, q is 1 minus p, probability of failure, and the exponent on q is the attempt in which we will be successful minus 1. So here's the problem. This weighted coin has a probability of 0.413 of being successful. And we want to know what is the probability that it takes 3 flips for the first head to occur. So what we're going to do is go to Excel, and in cells B, 2, 3, and 4, I have put the values that we need for this problem, P, Q, and X. 0.413 is P, and then 1 minus 0.413 is 0.587, and X is equal to 3. Now the formula that we're going to use is actually embedded in A7, but I'm showing you what it is in A6. And I'm referencing cells. It's equal to B2, which is P, times B3, which is Q, raised to the x minus 1 power, B4 minus 1. Okay, now convince yourself that that is the formula. And then with that in cell A7, then I get 0.142, blah, blah, blah. All right, now if I want that rounded to, let's say, 3 decimal places, 0.142 then would be the probability that it takes 3 flips for a success. And if I enter that value, notice I get this is funny because it says round to 2 decimal places, but I entered 0.142 and it said correct. I nailed it, so that's interesting. I wouldn't count on that happening, though, by the way.